In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix verification code not received on Samsung. If a service is trying to text you a code but nothing shows up, it can sometimes be because your phone is quietly blocking that number. We will walk through the built-in tools on your Samsung phone to check for that and clear the way so the code can come through. To begin, open the phone app. This is the green icon with a white phone symbol that you normally use to make calls. When it opens, you should see your recent calls list or the keypad. That tells you that you are in the right place to adjust call and text blocking for your Samsung device. If you have multiple apps for calling, make sure you are using the Samsung phone app, since the options we need live there. Once you are inside the phone app, tap the three-dot symbol in the top right corner of the screen. This menu icon may look small, so take a moment to tap it carefully. When you tap it, a drop-down menu appears under the dots with several options related to calls, contacts, and settings. If you do not see settings in that menu, you probably tapped somewhere else on the screen, so just tap the dots again. From there, tap Settings in that drop-down menu. This opens the Call Settings screen for the phone app. Here you will see different sections, such as caller ID options, voicemail, and other call features. These settings only affect how calls and text behave through the phone app, not the rest of the phone. That is why this is the right place to look when a verification message never arrives even though the sender says it was delivered. Now, tap Block Numbers. This option usually sits near the top of the list on Samsung phones and controls which numbers and senders are prevented from reaching you. When you tap it, you will move to a screen that shows different ways numbers can be blocked. You might see toggles for blocking unknown or private numbers, a list of specific numbers, or both, depending on your model. On the Block Numbers screen, check your blocked list. Look carefully at the list of phone numbers and any short codes displayed here. Verification texts often come from short numbers with fewer digits than a normal phone number, or from numbers that do not look familiar at all. Scroll through the entire list so you do not miss something. If you recently marked a spam message or blocked a call in a hurry, that number might now be sitting in this list. Finally, make sure the verification number is not blocked. If you recognize the number that should be sending your code and it appears here, remove it from the blocked list so messages from it are allowed again. On many verification systems, the sender number stays the same every time, so once it is unblocked, future codes should arrive as normal. After you adjust this, try requesting a new verification code and watch for a fresh message to appear in your messaging app. Ornude have now checked and cleared your Samsung blocked numbers so verification codes can reach you again. If this helped you start receiving your codes, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Samsung fixes.